Right, so if you're wondering how traders caught this NQ move today and you didn't catch it, the reason why is because you understand accumulation. You want to catch this distribution over here, but the problem is you don't understand manipulation, right? If you don't know how to catch manipulations, you will never be profitable in the markets. Okay, so step one of this strategy is you are looking for a 15-minute fair value gap. This is the most important area you need to be taking trades from. So this is our 15-minute fair value gap. We have a small imbalance over here, which validates this as our key level. I'm going to label that in gray. So step number two, which is to head down to the 5-minute time frame. And as you can see, the 5-minute time frame has given us a range just before the manipulations, right? So this is the accumulation. The accumulation will occur above the 15-minute fair value gap, and this is now our area. This is our demand area. So we are now waiting for price to come into this area, right? So if we continue to play price on, what we're looking for effectively is we're looking for how price action behaves in this region. And the only way you can do that is with the footprint charts. So when we dissect things on the footprint charts, what I want traders to understand just by reading basic volume is that we have a massive seller over here and we have a massive bunch of sellers over here. So we are seeing red delta inside of the zone, particularly in this region. We had a very, very large aggressive seller enter this zone, but notice how the zone was down here and the market failed to close below it. So if we go back to the regular candlestick chart, when we see price aggressively trying to sell, but we don't see any reward. What's essentially happening over here is we see tons of sellers that are trying to drive price down, but none of them are rewarded, right? So when we go back to the order flow and footprint charts, this massive seller over here was simply not rewarded. Therefore, this zone becomes strong and it is an area we want to be trading from. So what we can do over here is we can take our long position with a stop loss just below this zone, right? And now from here, we can simply target a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 R trade, right? So it's pretty simple once you understand the basic concepts of order flow.